Hello everyone, Sam is here again from myforestmagicwave.com. I think I pressed the recording button. Okay, yes. Oof, I forgot. All right, making this video quickly about. We already discussed everything about the USDX last video, last webinar. That we are going up for the fourth wave, and then we'll be coming down on for the fifth wave on the 4-hour chart. But I just want to show you another thing. It's a very good learning process, learning thing. Elliott wave perspective, which I overlooked. Again, too many things at the same time, and there's a lot of questions when I'm doing the webinar, so sometimes my eyes don't see what I should see. But I saw it later on yesterday, and all day I was thinking that, yeah, I'm going to make it, make the video and send out, and yeah. But yesterday gone, today gone, but now finally I decided to, market is open already, so might as well just do it quickly. It's not that you don't know what's going to happen. USDX is we are waiting for. Let me see where it is going. We were waiting for it to go up to 7303 area and then drop. So that's what we're expecting. But what is happening in Elliott wave perspective, and how we might be correct, that's what I wanted to show. So let's get started on this one. This is Elliott wave, simple, basic. I showed this 1,000 times. You already have it. When you sign up, you get it, right? So you have all these diagram, this one, and showing you. So this is like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then correction A, B, C. And all of those 1, 3, 5 impulse wave also have 5 subwaves in it. And A, B, C are the corrective waves, correction 3-wave correction in either wave 2 and 4. And of course here wave B, A, B, C, right? The correction wave A and C also can be impulse wave and can have 5 impulse wave, 5 subwaves in it, like this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It could be ABC, then this one also ABC, and this one also ABC. But usually they, or this is like 3, 3, 5 also, very common. ABC, ABC, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave C. So all different kind of things. But forget about the correction right now. We're going to be looking into just the impulse 5-wave advance or decline in any direction. All right. So as we know that we are with our USDX, we are in the downtrend, making the lower lows, and actually we are making these 5-wave to the downside. This diagram showing these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So that's the only difference. So keep in mind that this is what we're going to see is the up, to the downside, but the same phenomenon. Now, I also give you an email showing that Elliott wave within channel. Okay, so usually this advance or decline in 5 waves, impulse wave, is in a channel and in a very specific fashion. And that's what my email is all about. When I send you the email that Elliott wave in the channel, this is the first thing. Wave 1 and wave 2 is like that, right? Wave 1 have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse 5 subwaves, then ABC correction, then it goes up again for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside for the wave 3. So what do? How you find the wave 3 target, or at least to get out, is what you do is, it's all written here as well. After the completion of wave 1 and wave 2, connect the starting point of wave 1 and the end point of wave 2, which is this. So this and this, starting point of wave 1, end point of wave 2. Then take a parallel line and place it at the end point of wave 1 to create a channel and your target. So we take this same line, a parallel line, and place it here, and somewhere here the wave 3 will come and hit. That would be the target. Usually wave 3 breaks the channel and goes a little bit to the upside. Let me show it to you how it works. This is how it is. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It also makes an inverted head and shoulder right here. This is a Gertley or a bad pattern right here. then you make an inverted head and shoulder right here. So we don't want to get involved in harmonic right now. Okay, so wave 3 goes, breaks the channel and goes beyond. So let's see if we can find something like that in our USDX 4-hour chart. That's what I was planning to show. So let's think of this as a 0, okay, and just like I was showing in there in my wave count, I usually don't mark 0 at all, but it's in there. So let's consider this wave 1 and 2, which I explained that it is, right? And what I want to show is exactly, we want to do exactly the same thing as outline here. Okay, so we're going to connect the starting point of wave 1 to wave 2. Okay, let's see, take this high. And then take a parallel and place at the end of wave 1 to get the wave 3 target. So we're going to do this. Now you see wave 3 went beyond the channel, broke the channel and went beyond, just like here. Okay, you see this here? Wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 goes outside the channel, breaking the channel, right? 5-wave fashion. So usually you want to get out. This would be the target. You get out and then you wait for pull back for a wave 4 inside the channel again. So what happened? Here, the wave 3 ends here, and then it will start going inside the channel again. So let's see first that what we do after this step. What we do is we take, well, let's change the picture. This is what we do. Then what we do is now connect the end of wave 1, which is this, and the end of wave 3, which is this, where the wave 3 ends, right? Now take the parallel line and place it at the end of wave 2 to create a channel and a target for wave 4. So we connect these two and then take the parallel line of this line now and then place it to the end of wave 2 to create a channel and a target for wave 4. Okay, so let's do that over here. So we disregard that and then we take this one, place it over wave 1, then wave 3, which is this. Okay, and now we're going to take the parallel line and place it on wave 2. Whoops, what did I do? Wrong button. Okay, should I take this one or no? I'll take this one, the highest one. Okay, this is the parallel placed on wave at the end of wave 2. So now the wave 4 goes and hit this channel, but here we see that it poked and it went outside the channel a little bit. You see here the wave 4 comes and hit the channel, but if you see my next diagram, which you all have it, what happened in the wave 4 is this. Okay, usually wave 4 breaks this channel a little bit, not too much. Okay, it's just a little bit, and a lot of people call this a fake out and head fake and this and that or whatever. But this is what happens usually. Okay, the wave 4, and that's why I made this diagram years ago. This is normally what happened if you draw the channel properly. Wave 4 pokes outside a little bit and then gets inside again. And when it's inside of the channel again, you know exactly what's happening. Okay, that's the question. I mean, if it goes outside the channel and then it keep continuing going down, right? This is far as can happen. Anything can happen. But this is usually happen. What is the phenomena is that wave 4 goes outside the channel a little bit, which you create connecting 1 and 3, placing a parallel at 2 at the end of 2 wave. And then you get the target for 4, but the price goes beyond that, breaks the channel, goes outside, then comes back inside. This is the whole phenomenon. That's what we are having, or we are doing right now. If you see that, we connected 1 and 2, plays a parallel up here. From the beginning, we are on track, theoretically, perfectly, by the book. So far, we are up there. So now what we need is we need to come inside, then go back and test the channel, or maybe not. But so far, it's on track, by the book. So what we need to do is we need to see if it comes back inside the channel. And that would be the sign, and then it goes a little bit beyond this low. Somewhere here in the wave 5 will end. Okay, and we covered that already, where it will go and whatever. So, but right now I'm just in this video, I'm just showing how perfectly this thing going or unfolding according to the Elliott wave. You can see it for yourself. Now, after this happens, it goes inside and start going up. This will be the fashion it will end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably if you pull the fib from 3 to 4, projection would be 127. 112, 127 will end in, sort of a butterfly kind of thing. Okay, 127, butterfly extension. So that's how it will be ending. So if we go here and then let's say wherever it ends, for example, if it ends here, so what we do, the target for wave 5 will be pulling the fib like this, and then 127 would be our target right around here. If it goes a little bit further, let's say 173.03, something like that, 127 is coming at 171.44. And I know that there is a strong number on my chart. It says 71.44, so it's close by. So this is so far. Let me see if it is. There it is. Let's see it. Oh, yeah, right here. See. So if you get here, we start coming back inside, and then okay, the channel is right there already, right? Yeah, but well, I did all that, but I didn't explain it the way I just did. Elliott wave perspective, right? So this is how the perfect, nice channeling in Elliott wave. And if you remember this, then you see it, unfolding exactly the way it is mentioned in my diagram. Then you know exactly what's happening. So far, this leg, this leg, this leg, and this leg is on track according to that diagram, right? So if 4 of these are on track, why not the 5th one? We are waiting for that, and let's see what happens. And if that is the one, if it is not this big, it would be probably like this, and it will give us, believe me or not, maybe for the whole week of pips, we will get in this drop in USDX for the 5th wave. You have all the euro pairs, and Frankie, Swissy will give you a pretty decent amount of pips. Okay, maybe we will just keep doing that for the rest of the week. So let's see what happens. So this is what I just wanted to show to you. How nice and clean it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will be finishing the wave 4 soon, and we'll be getting inside the channel and starting for the wave 5. And at that point, I'll see exactly how many pairs are giving us the setups. USD except Frankie's our Swissy. Swissy is just the opposite, but everything besides Swissy will go down, but everything else will be going up. All right, so we're gonna see that which one is giving us the better setup. Okay, and we'll start trading that. So this is it for now. I'm gonna upload it, and send it out. And I think I will be able to do it before the movie starts. I don't think anything is gonna happen today, Sunday evening. It's Easter today, and it's very, very quiet, right? So by the time, probably London will make a little move. Okay, so let's see. You'll get this video before that for sure. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a good day.